So let's just talk about context managers in Python. So the context managers simplifies the resource management and the cleanup operations. So they ensure that the resources like file handling or database connections or anything are properly managed, even if there some error occurred during the execution. So like an example, suppose we are opening one file and then we are reading the content of the file, and after that we have to close the file. So first of all we are opening the file, then we are reading the content of the file, and then we are closing the file. Now if we forget to close the file stays open, and this can lead to resource leak. And also in a case there can be some errors before the close, in that case also the file can remain open. This can lead to all sorts of problems. Now to deal with that problem, we can use the context managers. Like an example, we can use the with statement. So the context manager has two key methods. It has the enter method and the exit method. So the enter basically set up all the resources, and the exit cleans up all the resources. So like an example, here in this case we can solve the problem using the context manager. So here we can use the with. So we're gonna open the file as f, and then we're gonna read the content of the file. So f.read, and that's it. We don't have to manually close it because that will be automatically handled by the context manager, the with statement. So the file will be automatically closed after the block of code is done executing. So we can create custom context managers. So like an example, we can create one class handle file. Now here inside, first of all we have the init constructor. So it takes the file name and the mode of operation. So we're done with the constructor. Now we have to define two important methods. We have to define the enter method, and also we have to define the exit method. So the enter method will set up the resources. So here inside we're going to open the file self.filename, and then we're gonna return the file that we have opened. So the enter is basically setting up the resources. Now we have to define the exit, which will clean up the resources, and that is very important. So here inside we're gonna close the file. So self.file.close. So this exit will be automatically executed no matter if there is any error or not. We don't have to manually close the file. Now here we can use the with and then the class handle file as hf. Now here we have to pass the file sample.txt. Now here we can get the content of the file, so we can open our file. Now we don't have to manually close it because that will be automatically done by the context manager. So it will automatically call the exit to close the file. So no matter if there is any error or not, the file will be closed for sure. So we can use the context manager not only to handle the file, also we can handle the database connection, and also we can handle the network connection. This can be applied to the temporary files and the directories. And there are several advantages of the context manager. So first of all, this simplifies the code because we are not manually closing our file, and also because that is automatically happening, so it reduces the chances of any kind of error, and also it makes sure that the resources are always properly released. So the context manager are very important in Python for resource management and cleanup operations. So hope you understand about context manager in Python. See you in the next one. Take care.